All right, in the workshop, we have just completed a really cool build on a Dodge Ram. So first up, we did obviously the full exhaust system, the extractors, the cats. Now the thing with these cats is really, really unique. We've gone a really high Euro spec, so the lights and all the warnings and all the issues are gone. And it sounds fantastic, it really revs up. And obviously all the temperature is out of the engine bay. All the performance is at your foot, so you can go, go, go and tow, tow, tow. So what did we do? We did a full extractors, ceramic coated. We did a twin 3-inch exhaust into 2 individual mufflers, really unique style, not one, no drum, no drone. Some really nice looking exhaust tips on the end to get that fat, juicy look that you desire with a big Dodge Ram. So with the tune, what we've done, we've added a little bit of ignition timing. That way the torque curve keeps pulling up while the initial stages are very flat and long. Now you can just keep pulling through the gear range and pulling through the gear range. Perfect for that towing. You're gonna find the drive completely different. You're gonna feel the power, enjoy the power of what this big baby can offer. So, customer asked for a snorkel. We did a snorkel at the same time, so now it breathes better in and way breathes better out. So guys, this is the Dodge Ram setup. I can't wait to hear this thing roll off of the dyno and give you guys a bit of a sound bite.